Hello Good Mate Squad and welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you with another makeup tutorial. I will have some wig units coming up, but at the moment all the ones I want, they're not releasing yet or haven't been released yet. So in the meantime, while I am waiting, I'm going to upload a few more makeup tutorials. So I hope you guys find these beneficial. Okay, so I just put on some powder so that way you know the drill. I have oily eyelids, so I need powder to soak up the oil on my eyes. So we're going to go ahead and apply the eyeshadow base there. Now that we have our base on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some powder just to set that base. You don't have to do this, especially if you want your colors to pop. But I have to do this with my oily eyelids. Like, I need that extra protection. So we are going to attempt a really easy eye look, or just really simple. It's easy too. So first we're going to start off with Heatwave, this marigold color. Told you before, this is one of my go-to eyeshadows. Heatwave and Caramel are my go-to eyeshadows. Like, I wear those a lot in a lot of my looks. So we're going to just keep everything, most of the colors right here in this area. And that's pretty much the look we're going for. So just apply this to the outer portion of your eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Demure Palette right here. Okay, nice neutrals. You can see my little setup. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's almost like tiramisu. Twiggy. It's like Twiggy. That's the eyeshadow I have. The single eyeshadow. That's what this one reminds me of. And again, we're going to try to concentrate all that, just the eyeshadows to the outer portion. Okay, I'm going to mix a little bit of this color too on top of there. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow. This one right here out of the Mavens palette. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with the brush we used to apply that brown color and just kind of blend this all out. Alright, so now that we have everything blended, I'm going to go ahead and apply my primer. I'm hoping that there's good lighting on this tutorial, I'm trying to use the sunlight here, natural sunlight, because it's a beautiful spring day here in H-Town. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the translucent powder and to set my oily areas. Applying the translucent powder, besides soaking up the oil on your skin, I also feel like it helps the foundation stick when you're putting it on, because sometimes, to me, when I try it, doesn't matter which foundation I'm using, it's like it kind of slides all over especially my nose area, and so it takes a while for it to set. So by applying the powder, it kind of gives it something to stick to, like a base to stick to, in addition to the face primer. So one last thing. For our eyes, we're going to go back into the Demure palette, and we're going to use this color right here. And we're just going to pack that right here. And we're going to use a little bit of this color to kind of blend the black to that eyeshadow we just laid down. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with the eyes. So let's go ahead and move on to the face. So I'm going to use my Custom Blend foundation, this nice whipped formula, creamy formula here. Okay, now that we have the foundation on, I'm going to take a dry beauty blender and lightly use it to get rid of the brush strokes, so we get that flawless application. And also using the beauty blender helps to pick up any, a dry one helps to pick up any excess product, so that way you don't have to worry about any caking throughout your day. Okay, so now we're going to go to the under eye. I'm going to use my Color Perfection Quad and Medium in this color right here. I'm pretty much almost out. Oh, I forgot to use my rose drops. So I've been using rose drops with my foundation because with the weather going on, my skin has been drying out, because it's like we'll get cool and then we'll go back to warm, and it's just, and then the allergies and the pollen and stuff in the air, allergies going crazy. So yeah, my face has been drying out in my dry areas here. But I do have, I can do the rose oil for my under eye. So just use a little bit, just a little drop like that. Not too much. And then dot, dot. Because if you use too much, it becomes really, really, really creamy. And then it takes a while for your skin to soak it in. And then you have to get rid of some of it. Okay, and I'm going to set my under eye with my powder. I'm going to use a brush this time. Then I'm going to go with my big powder brush and just dust powder all over my face to help set my foundation. Okay, so now it's time for the eyebrows, and I'm going to go in with the Dynasty palette as I've been doing and using this black eyeshadow here. Okay, so I'm going to put on blush called Carmel. It's really pretty bronzy color. It has like some, it's like a metallic bronze. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the rose water. Go ahead and start melting all the powder. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and grab my eye base and apply that to my under eye because, of course, I'm getting ready for work. And I just want to make sure that my eyeshadows last. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in back into the Demure palette and use this color that we've been using for our eyes. And we're just going to apply that to the under eye area. And then we're going to use a black eyeshadow and line our, not line our waterline, but go back closer to the lash line. And then we're going to go in with my favorite eye highlight, which is the champagne color in the Mavens palette. And we're going to apply that to the brow area. And then I'm also going to apply it in the inner corners of my eye. Okay, so now it's time to apply eyelashes. I don't know what brand these are. I lost the box. Okay, so while the glue is drying, I'm going to put on my 40 FY lip balm treatment. I love this stuff. I already have rose oil on my lips. And now I'm just going to apply the lip balm. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the waterproof eyeliner from Motives and the Fiber Lush Mascara to the bottom lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my favorite highlight, which is Bombshell. I'm using this new highlight brush from Morphe. It's the E61. I don't know. What do you guys, do you prefer brushes like this style or the fan brushes? I haven't decided. I don't think I like brushes like this. I think I like the fan brush better. That's just my preference. Alright, so it's time for me to go. I need to get out of here. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lips. So I'm using this color, which is Berry Jam from Ruby Kiss. I'll probably end up changing my Lippie because it is spring, so I don't want to be too dark on the lips. And then I have the new Motives Metallic Lip Stain. And this is in the color Wicked. So I have 3 colors. And there's 6 of them, but I started off with 3. Look at that. Like, oh my God. It's like a, I mean, it's in the purple family. And it's just gorgeous. It's kind of like a dark lilac color. That's what it reminds me of. And it's very pigmented, so you don't, as you can see, I didn't even dip back into the, what am I trying to say? Into the container. But yes. Look at that. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So, oh, we are done. So, spray on another layer of my setting spray, 10 Years Younger setting spray used by J.Lo herself. I'm working like a 10-hour shift today, so I just want to make sure that I look good all day. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look. My eyelash glue still needs to dry, so please ignore that. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I can't find my pick. My mom pick is in the car. I can't find my daughter's pick, so I'll have the pick in the car. But yes, my hair, I'm going to try to make it bigger. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, share this video if there's anybody you know that you think that would be interested in this look and recreating it. Please share it. If you like it, just share it, okay? Because I already told you, sharing is caring. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, not the like button, hit the notification button so you can know when a new video is headed your way. All right, don't forget to love yourself. You got to take care of yourself first. Love yourself, take care of yourself, and then you can go ahead and take care of the world. Because as women, sometimes we just have so much on our plate that we forget to stop and take care of ourselves, that we use energy on everyone else. And there's nothing wrong with taking care of other people's and other people and others. It's just that you don't want your body to suffer for that. Okay, so make sure you do give yourself a lot of self-love, a lot of self-maintenance. It's okay to take a break from everything you have on your plate to take care of yourself. I am telling you, it is okay. You have to. Your body has that time to rejuvenate itself and get right and make sure that you're at the top performance level so you can do all the things you have on your plate. Okay, so take time for yourself, please. Whether it's to breathing exercises, stretching, yoga, massage, getting your nails done, your hair did, whatever it is, take your me time. So that way you can conquer all your goals and everything you have planned. All right. Until next time. Bye.